This is my example code, and the public class product is that uh, name class, and private string name is instance variable name that store name of the product, and the private means it can only be accessed with the product class, and the public product string name this name equal name this is the constructor that initialize a new product object. It take a string parameter called name and assign it to the instance variable name, and the public string get name return name. This public methods allows other class to access the product name. It returns the value of name variables, providing controlled access to the private field. This class encapsulates the concept of the product with a name while maintaining data. And this is a example of my code encapsulation. Encapsulation is public class employee. This is a public class employee. Kani siya sa pinakauna. Then define a public class name employee properties and behaviors relate to the employee's attribute. And private string name a public attribute that store the employee's getter method. Public double slayer a private attribute that store the employees salaries protected from direct access when outside of the class. And then the public employee string name doubles. This constructor initializes a new employee object with a given name and salary, and instant variable from the parameter or from parameter. Setter method that setters layer. The public void salary double amount. This is a method allows setting a new salary of employee. This check of an amount greater than 0 before updating salaries if input the invalid in the print salaries. And last is the public double slayer getters and the string get name. It's a return values to the private salaries attribute. It's allowed to controlled access, and the getter's name is returns the employee's name, providing access to the public attributes like this employee and the inheritance. This is a superclass and the subclass class. The animals ay the dog class and extend the animals class inheriting its properties and methods. It overridings and the overriding sounds methods to provide a specific implementation for dogs printing the dog's box. This shows up showcase of polymorphism, and i-discuss na ko na siya sa last is this polymorphism and dili naman ta sa where a subclass can modify a behavior of a method defined in its superclass, main class and main class for excitation and kaning sa main class the main class contains the main method with which is the program's enter point. It creates an instance of the dog class and call it sound method. Since dog override the sound method, then output is the dog barks, and dara yung output dog barks. Okay, nag-ads pa nga. And last is the polymorphism. The polymorphism and the class animals, muna siya example code. The class animals contain a method called sounds which print an animal make sounds. This serves as the base and method that can be overridden by subclass, and the subclass is sa cat. So cat, this is cat, siya cat. Siya. And cat extended animals and override the sounds method to print the cat meow. The stream out that print meow. Then nag-extend pod kog dog class dog extend animals, and the dog class also extend then override the sounds same sa cat override gyapon ako siya. Then method then stream out that print dog bark na siya. Then sa main kay muna siya in the main class, the main class method create an instance same sa ingana o ganina mag-create sa instance of cat and dog, both siya mo output siya o cat meow dog bark siya. Then this is a simple siya, and that's all. Thank you.